Welcome to Ground Mint Academy. Learn smarter, not harder. In this lesson, we will build an intuitive, visual understanding of concave mirrors and concave lenses. We will draw the principal axis, mark focal points, and trace simple rays to see where images form. First, the concave mirror. We draw a horizontal reference called the principal axis. Then we add a shiny curved mirror that bends inward like a scoop. Next, we mark three important points along the axis: the vertex at the mirror surface, the focal point labeled EFF, and the center of curvature labeled C. Then we place an object, a simple arrow standing upright on the left side. After that, we will trace two easy rays to locate the image: a parallel ray that reflects through the focal point, and a ray that aims toward the focal point and reflects back parallel. Ray 1 leaves the top of the object and travels parallel to the axis, hits the mirror, and reflects through the focal point. Ray 2 leaves the top of the object aimed at the focal point, hits the mirror, and reflects back parallel to the axis. The point where the reflected rays meet is the image of the arrow tip. It is on the left side of the mirror, inverted, and if the object is beyond the center of curvature, the image is between the center and the focal point. Now that we have the concave mirror picture, let us do the concave lens. We will see that it spreads light out, creating a virtual image that appears on the same side as the object. For the concave lens, also called a diverging lens, we again draw the principal axis. We sketch a thin lens that is narrower in the middle and wider at the edges. We mark equal focal points on both sides of the lens, labeled EFF on the left and EFF on the right. Place the object as an upright arrow on the left. We will trace two rays: a parallel ray that refracts and seems to come from the left focal point, and a central ray through the middle of the lens that goes straight. The backward extensions of the refracted rays meet at the virtual image, which is upright and smaller.